Kalispera files que file. Today we're going to cook chicken legs, potatoes, and carrots in the oven. Very healthy as well. We begin by peeling 2 middle-sized carrots. As soon as you peel the carrots, cut the front end off and the back end. Those are pieces που δεν χρειαζόμαστε. Cut the carrots in 2 pieces or 3 pieces, depending on how long the carrots are. Cut them lengthwise and then in the middle again. As soon as you're done cutting the carrots, place them in a bowl of water which you should have next to you. Now we'll need to peel 4 potatoes. After peeling each potato, cut them in half. Cut them in half again to make 4 wedges out of each potato, and then place them into the bowl next to you with water and the carrots. We always put the potatoes in the water because as soon as we're finished cutting the last ones, the first ones won't start turning black if they're in the water. Empty the water out of the bowl and begin adding extra virgin olive oil. Salt. Pepper. Of course, mustard must go. And a whole lemon. As soon as you're done, give it a really good mix. Now we'll need an oven pan big enough to hold the 4 chicken legs, the potatoes, and the carrots. Now you'll need around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic squished and then finely chopped. As soon as you finally chop the garlic, place it to the side of the cutting board. Now you take each chicken leg and put around 3 holes in them. In those holes, stuff them with garlic. As soon as you stuff them with garlic, add salt, pepper, olive oil, and now you could add the potatoes and the carrots. Now you add 1 cup of water. Now you give it 2 or 3 good sprinkles of oregano. After giving it a good sprinkle of oregano, you cover the oven pan with tin foil and then you put it in the oven at around 180 Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, take the oven pan out of the oven and the tin foil off. After taking the tin foil off, put the pan back in the oven for 20 minutes until the chicken legs turn golden brown, and then you're ready to serve.